Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, have you ever wondered how people are creating these mind-blowing, surreal artworks that seem like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie? Well, let me introduce you to the world of MidJourney AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you what MidJourney AI is all about, how to sign up and how to create your very own AI-generated art step by step. So if you're ready to unleash your creativity, let's jump right in. So first of all, what MidJourney AI exactly is? MidJourney AI is an innovative tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate stunning high-quality images based on text prompts you provide. Imagine typing in a phrase like, "a serene landscape on an alien planet," and getting back a breathtaking piece of digital art. Cool, right? Basically, it's like having a digital artist friend who never runs out of ideas and can bring your craziest visions to life. It's perfect for artists, designers, or anyone who just loves playing around with creative tools. Whether you're looking for inspiration, want to create unique visuals for a project, or just want to have some fun experimenting, MidJourney AI has got you covered. Alright, first things first, let's get you signed up. Head over to midjourney.com and click on Join. You'll be redirected to a Discord invite link because MidJourney operates through a Discord server. Don't worry if you're not familiar with Discord. I'll walk you through it. Click on the invite link. If you don't have a Discord account, you'll need to create one. Once you're in, you'll land on the MidJourney Discord server. Here you'll see different channels like announcements, FAQ, newbies, etc. Take a moment to explore and get familiar with the layout. Now let's get to the fun part. Actually making something. Alright, to start creating, head over to one of the newbies or general channels. This is where you'll type your commands and see your artwork come to life. To generate an image, you'll use the command /imagine followed by your prompt. Let's try something cool. How about a futuristic city skyline at sunset in cyberpunk style? After you hit enter, the AI will start working its magic. It only takes a few seconds, and voila! You get 4 different versions of your prompt. If you like one of them, you can upscale it to get a higher resolution, or create variations if you want to explore different styles. Once you've got your final image, you can download it and use it however you like. Share it on social media, use it in your projects, or just admire your digital masterpiece. Pretty amazing, right? And the possibilities are endless. You can experiment with different prompts, styles, and themes to create something truly unique. Now that you know the basics, let me share some tips to help you get the best results from MidJourney AI. Tip number 1. Be as specific as possible with your prompts. Instead of just saying a forest, try a misty enchanted forest with glowing mushrooms and tall ancient trees. The more details you provide, the better the results. Tip number 2. Use different styles and themes to see what works best. You can add keywords like "in the style of Van Gogh" or "abstract" to change the artistic vibe. And tip number 3. Don't be afraid to experiment and play around. MidJourney AI is all about creativity and exploration, so have fun with it. When you're happy with your creation, click on the image in Discord and you'll see an option to Open Original. This opens the high-resolution version, which you can then download. Now you've got your very own AI-generated artwork. Share it on social media, use it in your projects, or just print it out and hang it on your wall. Whatever you like. And that's a wrap. MidJourney AI is such a powerful tool for anyone who wants to explore the world of digital art, whether you're a pro or a total newbie. I hope this tutorial helps you get started and sparks your creativity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative tutorials and tech tips. And if you create something awesome with MidJourney AI, drop a link in the comments. I'd love to see your work. Thanks for watching. Take care.